A pleasant day, Mr. Lopez. We are the Team Bravo from MAR 251, and this is our presentation about the common NSTP misconceptions. So, before we begin the presentation, allow me to introduce to you my group members. We have Garcia Erica as the team leader, Gloriani Razal as assistant team leader, and for the members we have Cruz Steven, Delangpan Prix, Gadon Lorraine, Ginto Nicole, Gutierrez Brent, Hirata Rehan Sumin, and I, Dantas Rihanna, your presenter for today. So moving on, in this presentation, we will be discussing the three main areas, which is the summarization of group discussion, group's common misconceptions, and thus, how group's understanding changed. So, for the misconceptions about NSTP, many of us began NSTP with similar misunderstandings. In this section, we will share some of the misconceptions we had in the past and how our perspectives changed after experiencing NSTP course. Moving on, fear makes us strong. They said that fear is what makes us strong. That's why we fear before we learn or experience things. Lessons must be first taught before even being learned, and regrets are only felt after the action has been done. And that's how we felt when we first concluded about our misconception on the subject of NSTP. Moving on, what we thought NSTP was. At first, we thought that it's just a filler, tiring, challenging, a mandatory subject, physical activities, or a shallow subject. And somehow, we forget how important it is to move or to take a step even if we think it is shallow. Shallow is to survive and do not get drowned while still learning, which takes place and floats above the waves. After the orientation about the NSTP and going through the initial lessons, our understanding of the program changed significantly. We realized that NSTP is far more meaningful than we initially thought. It's not centered on physical drills or superficial tasks, but on developing civic awareness, social responsibility, empathy, leadership, preparedness, and genuine involvement in real community issues. We discovered that NSTP teaches important values and skills such as teamwork, disaster readiness, communication, and community engagement that helps us grow both as individuals and as future professionals. More importantly, we learned that NSTP is about working with communities, understanding their needs, and recognizing that even small acts of service can create a lasting impact. And now, this brings us to the most significant area of change, our perspective on community involvement. Our understanding of NSTP has shifted from seeing it as a simple physical training or a graduation requirement to recognizing it as an important space for development, social responsibility, and civic awareness. This change transformed our perspective from being passive participants into becoming individuals who actively engage with society. By interacting with communities and understanding their needs, we have developed a deeper empathy and a stronger desire to contribute. This experience has also made us realize that our skills, regardless of our academics major, can be valued in many different ways when supporting community needs. Ultimately, community involvement no longer feels like an obligation. Instead, it has become an opportunity for growth, meaningful contribution, and a long-term commitment to actively participate in society. In conclusion, our group's experience with the NSTP revealed a fundamental truth, that lessons must be first taught before even being learned, and regrets are often only felt after the action has been done. We approached this course with the fear of the unknown, initially concluding it was a shallow subject, something we needed only to survive and float above the waves. And this is where our presentation ends, and thank you for listening.